traders? Welcome to Olymp Trade. Today we are going to talk about cryptocurrencies. Go ahead and click on the red subscribe button, thumbs up, and ring on the notifications bell. Let's go. Crypto news. Elon Musk has crashed the crypto market twice. Elon Musk, one of the richest men on the planet, had a serious impact on the value of cryptocurrencies. Again, his tweets that Tesla would no longer accept payments in Bitcoin and a hint that the company might be about to sell the cryptocurrencies it bought a few months ago started a catastrophic market collapse. Bitcoin instantly lost close to 50% and reached a low of around $30,000. Mind you, before the dreadful tweet, the cryptocurrency was trading around $60,000. This isn't the first time that Elon has had an effect on the crypto market. Just in January and February of this year, with Elon's support, Bitcoin was on a steady rise, especially after the news that Tesla purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Then recently in March, Tesla announced that it would begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. And so Musk was dubbed as the so-called crypto messiah, especially for Dogecoin, which he's almost obsessed about and actively promotes. Shortly after, Tesla sold 10% of the 1.5 billion BTC, and the market at the time reacted calmly and perceived this as a positive fundamental background, as Tesla was simply testing the liquidity of the crypto market. This is in spite of the fact that the giant car maker by large began to speculate on the market. Now the situation has flipped, and although Elon did later clarify that Tesla was not planning to sell any more Bitcoin, and although he continues to show support for cryptocurrencies, including his most recent tweet where he mentioned that he spoke to the North American Bitcoin miners who committed to publish current and planned renewable usage, the FUD has begun. Musk went from hero to zero, while some enthusiasts even released a Fuck Leon token, which immediately skyrocketed by 2,000% in price. Investors of cryptocurrencies are urging Elon to stop tweeting about cryptocurrencies and instead focus on producing cars. Although Musk is not the only reason that crypto assets are going down, but his Twitter account is certainly not helping. Sounds a little bit like deja vu? Yep, let's hope it doesn't come down to a ban like for Trump. The FUD continues as China cracks down on cryptocurrencies, banning banks and payment firms from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions. As a result, huge cryptocurrency miners, including Hashcow and BTC.top, have stopped operating in China. My friends, the thing is that yes, mining does require a lot of energy and has a certain impact on the environment. And apparently Elon thinks it's a catastrophe, as for example, the same Dogecoin is more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin mining. This is probably the biggest plus of the cryptocurrency meme, which was created in just a few hours and developed by only 4 people. However, it depends on what we compare it with. Studies show that Bitcoin is more environmentally friendly than maintaining a bank or gold production. As a result, the Fear and Greed Index dropped to 10% on May 24th. The last time such figures were observed was during the collapse in March of 2020. The market observed an inflow of capital while Bitcoin Trust withdrew capital. Additionally, we see a record 25% discount on GBTC. And so, it turns out that Elon Musk with his tweets just set fire to an already formed bearish fuse. You can scold him and you can hate him all you want, but most likely the panic sale which brought BTC down to $30,000 in May and drowned altcoins is most likely the work of retail investors. Remember Gordon Gekko's phrase, "It's a free market and you're a part of it." In the end, retail investors paid the price. March liquidations topped $7 billion that day, while crypto whales, led by MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor, continue to buy cryptocurrencies long term. Hello again, my friends. So now we've reached the concluding part of our video. Now let's see where the wind is going to take us. We're going to use this spin the wheel to randomly choose an asset. As you can see, we have 3 different assets on the wheel. We have Euro US dollar, USD JPY, and gold. If the wheel stops on the red asset, we're going to open a down trade. And if we land on a green asset, we're going to open an up trade. Here we go. USD JPY up trade. Alrighty, my friends. So USD JPY uptrade. What we'll do is we'll use $10. We're looking at the 1 minute time frame. USD JPY. We'll enter our trade duration for 3 minutes. Remember, our time frame should be ×2 or ×3, and we'll enter an uptrade. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I doing this? And you're probably wondering, is this okay? The answer, my friends, is no, it's not okay. The thing is that many traders, especially new traders, they enter trades randomly without analyzing the price chart and without realizing where the price is likely to go next. How does this work? Now, there are different technical analysis tools and indicators that you can use. One of the most important yet basic features is called trend line or horizontal line, support and resistance. Now let's go ahead and look at USD JPY once again on the 1 minute time frame. We did randomly choose to open an uptrade. We'll see how that goes in 3 minutes. In the meantime, I just want to explain how technical analysis works and how we can identify where the price is likely to go next. In the indicators section, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and check my trend line. And whenever we have a downtrend, whenever we see price moving down, first we're going to connect the highs, the price peaks, the maximums of the price movement. And likewise, what we can do is draw a channel on the bottom. Okay, like this. Now, I do want to mention, my friends, that we do generally want to trade in the direction of the main trend. So this is our resistance and this is our support. So whenever we have a downtrend, our best entry points are going to be bounces from resistance, and we're going to trade down. I just want to show you this situation. We had an interesting situation here. We did have a downtrend and the price did try to break out of this descending triangle. But we did reach a strong level of support. And we can actually see this in history. As we can see right here, the price met this area as resistance. The price met this area as resistance in the past. And now it bounced from this area as support. We do have some wild action going on with the United States dollar right now. There was a gap. But basically, I just wanted to show you how you can use technical analysis. My friends, go ahead and check this video out on how to use support and resistance in trading. Now, my friends, another pair that I would like to look at is Euro US dollar. We'll look once again on the 1 day time frame. And I want to show you the same scenario, but during an uptrend. This was a beautiful channel to trade in. Let's go ahead and take our trend line one more time. Now, during an uptrend, whenever the price is moving up, we want to first connect the bottoms, the minimums of the price movement. So this is going to be our level of support. And likewise, we can draw a channel by connecting the highs, the peaks. Now, as I already mentioned, the trades have more probability, and it is recommended to trade generally in the main direction of the trend. And therefore, the ideal entry points for this trade would be to trade up when the price bounces up from support. And likewise, you see we had a nice breakout, and here we can actually see that the price is reaching this level as support many times, and this level is going to be our resistance. So this was our slanted trend lines, and as you can see, our trade did close in profit. But don't forget that you do have to analyze the market whenever you are trading. So don't let the wind take you wherever it wants to take you. So you have to analyze. Don't just enter random trades. And so what we can see right here, I would just want to show you, this was slanted trend lines, but we can also use horizontal lines. As we can see, this was resistance. Likewise, this was resistance here. And now this was support, and we just broke out to the downside, I did miss this point, but as you can see, we've identified a level of support. And whenever we do see a breakout, we can trade in the direction of the breakout. Ideally, we want to see this price come back for a retest and then continue down. Or another thing that we can see right now, if we take our trend line, we can actually form a trend line right here. And this is the one that we're going to follow. And as you can see, the price is moving down. So what did I say? Remember, it would be ideal to trade down from this trend line resistance. My friends, go ahead and check this video out on the top candlestick patterns. Dear traders, please visit our social networks, please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and ring on the notifications bell. I will see you next time.